At karamihan dun sa birth certificate nakasulat pinanganak sa isang malayong barangay. Pangalawa, ang nagpaanak, kumadrona. Pangatlo, nag-avail ng late registration, a minimum of at least 10 years. 10 to, like this Alice Guo, she availed of the late registration 17 years after sa farm. Halos pare-pareha, 90% na nag-avail niya na Chinese. Yun lang ang modus. Yun ang kanilang justification. Pinanganak ng kumadrona, hindi sa ospital pinanganak. Sa farm lagi pinapanganak. Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. That was a very good observation and we will get to that at the appropriate time. In the meantime, dito muna tayo mag-focus sa
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman Ako.
May I request PSA to submit to us a copy of their contract with Unisys so that we can conduct a study, what are their obligations and other parts of the agreement.
We have already submitted yesterday, last night, sir,
The contract.
the contract, the concession agreement.
Yes, you have submitted it already. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Akop. Moving forward, for the information of the honorable members, the PSA has created a technical working group. Correct me if I'm wrong, PSA. So
Yes,
you have
sir.
already created a technical working group as a result of our previous committee hearings in this committee. And because of this, they came out with a new guidelines as to the late registration implementation, correct?
Yes, sir.
Kasi nakakatawa nga naman na karamihan ng nag-a-avail nung late registration, LCR lang, o hindi kaya, iba wala pang endorsement from LCR, PSA issues directly an endorsement, kaya nagkakaroon sila ng birth certificate. At karamihan dun sa birth certificate nakasulat pinanganak sa isang malayong barangay. Pangalawa, ang nagpaanak, kumadrona. Pangatlo, nag-avail ng late registration, a minimum of at least 10 years. 10 to, like this Alice Guo, she availed of the late registration 17 years after sa farm. Diba? And we all know that. Diba? So this is quite, this is in fact ridiculous, no? Na halos pare-pareha, 90% na nag-avail niya na Chinese. Yun lang ang modus. Yun ang kanilang justification. Pinanganak ng kumadrona, hindi sa ospital pinanganak. Sa farm lagi pinapanganak. Sa malayong lugar. So now that the TWG created by PSA as a result of our committee hearings has now made it difficult for anyone to avail of the late registration policy.
Mr. Chair.
Because of this, nakita natin na hindi na ganun kadali for the Chinese citizens na maka-avail nito. But another issue that was raised by Congressman Dan Fernandez dun sa Lenovo, Unisys, PSA engagement, no? Apparently, what Congressman Dan Fernandez is saying is that there could be some sort of a collusion, no, perpetuated by the Chinese company Lenovo and some PSA employees to justify or to issue a birth certificate to anyone who wishes to avail of the late registration policy. So,
quickly lang, Chairman. Quickly lang.
very
Hindi,
quick lang. Sige.
Kasi sabi niyo nagkaroon sila ng para tinatawag na what you call this committee to TWG. But may I be allowed to ask the COA para magkaroon na tayo ng tinatawag na auditing of this agreement that entered into by the PSA, because precisely the money that are being paid for this concession or for this public-private partnership are also owned by the Filipino people. Kasi nagcha-charge sila sa
Babayaran.
atin eh. Binabayaran din eh for certain years or hindi ko alam, and that's the reason why I wanted to have an audit report on this by the Commission on Audit to try to find out. Kasi dito, Mr. Chairman, miski doon sa, ito kasi ang inakusa sa kanila eh, sa United States eh. Nag-overprice sila sa, even in the employees. Sa employees nila, Mr. Chairman, binabanggit doon sa kaso ng Homeland Security that in-overcharge nila ang mga employees nila pero kalahati lang ang binibigay sa employee. And would you believe, Mr. Chairman, dito sa Unisys, Philippines, there is 3 to 4 million na sweldo ng isang employee. Merong 500,000, 600,000. So, binobloat nila yung sweldo ng mga employees, and these are being kept by the company itself, which in accordance with the investigation of the Congress of the United States. I think, Mr. Chairman, it's high time for us to include the Commission on Audit to find out 2,000 ang tao ng Unisys. Am I correct? 2,000, meron kayong building na pinagawa at 2,000 ang tao ninyo?
Approximately 2,000.
Yes, 2,000 ang mga employees nila. And dito sa salary na nakalagay dito, Mr. Chairman, isipin mo meron dito 600,000, Mr. Chairman, pero ano lamang siya, IT service desk analyst lang siya. Oh, meron dito 360,000 to 480 to 840 team leader lang siya.
Napaka-generous ng...
Kaya nga, nagtataka ako na mabasa ko to, Mr. Chairman, having the salaries being given, gusto ko na mag-apply sa kanila.
Can
Mr.
you
Chairman.
confirm that, Mr. President?
Oh, Mr. Chairman, ito, site lead. Alam mo kung magkano sweldo? 3 to 4 million. Site lead. Website nyo yan.
Can you confirm that, please? What's his name? Mr. President, can you confirm
Unisys.
that these salaries
If
are...
I may clarify, Your Honor, that information came from Glassdoor, and is that correct? Sorry,
Correct.
for me to confirm, right?
This is correct.
Yep,
No,
and
is
that's
that correct? If the
the
information
salary
came from
for the
Glassdoor.
US.
Yes. Can you kindly submit to us the salaries of these 2,000 employees? These are not employees of the PSA, ah. These are employees of the Unisys.
Okay. For this one, I would like to be clarified, Your Honor, that the contract that we have for PSA is under Unisys Managed Services Corporation.
Yes.
That is where we have these 2,000 heads
Yes.
as of the moment, and their salary is actually not that figure that you are stating. We can provide you the details, Your Honor.
Please submit to us the true salaries of these 2,000 employees, because yun na nga sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, merong FBI report sa inyo sa Unisys. Ayan ang contractor accused of overbilling the US citizens. At yung sobrang sinesweldo ng mga employees ay napapupunta sa company. Hindi ako nagsabi niyan, ha?
Yep.
Washington Post yan.
Yep.
Saka yung US Congress.
Yep, I acknowledge that, Your Honor, but yeah, would like to get to the specific on that. Detail.
Submit to us. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Will do.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez.